Managing real estate efficiently requires a comprehensive and automated property management solution. Whether you oversee residential, commercial, or mixed use properties, having an all in one system to manage leases, accounting, maintenance, and tenant interactions is crucial. Yardi Voyager is one of the most powerful property management and asset management platforms designed for real estate professionals looking to streamline operations, optimize financial performance, and ensure compliance. It offers robust features such as automated lease tracking, financial reporting, maintenance scheduling, and tenant self service portals. With its cloud based and mobile friendly design, property managers can efficiently oversee portfolios of any size from anywhere. In this video, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and why Yardi Voyager is a must have for property managers and real estate investors. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive lease and property management. Managing multiple leases across different properties can be complex, but Yardi Voyager simplifies the process with a centralized lease administration system. The platform tracks lease terms, rent payments, renewals, and tenant communication, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Property managers can automate lease tracking, set up reminders for renewals, and reduce manual work, leading to improved accuracy and efficiency. Another key feature is the automated accounting and financial reporting. Yardi Voyager offers a full integrated accounting system that handles rent collection, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and financial reporting. The software supports GAAP and IFRS compliance, making it easy to manage financial records for large portfolios. Business owners gain real time financial visibility, reducing errors and ensuring compliance with industry standards, while optimizing cash flow. Another key feature is the maintenance and work order management. Property maintenance is a key part of tenant satisfaction. Yardi Voyager allows managers to schedule repairs, track work orders, and assign tasks to vendors, ensuring all maintenance requests are handled efficiently. The system also provides mobile access so maintenance staff can update work orders on site. This ensures timely maintenance and prevents costly repairs by allowing property managers to proactively handle issues. Another key feature is the tenant and resident portals for self service. Yardi Voyager includes a secure online portal that allows tenants to pay rent, submit maintenance requests, and access lease agreements without having to contact property management directly. This enhances the tenant experience, reduces administrative workload, and improves communication between property managers and residents. Another key feature is the real time analytics and business intelligence. With advanced data visualization and reporting tools, property owners can track occupancy rates, financial performance, maintenance costs, and tenant trends in real time. The system provides customizable dashboards and automated reports for better decision making. This enables data driven strategies for portfolio growth, cost management, and investment planning. Another key feature is the compliance and risk management. Property management involves legal and regulatory compliance, and Yardi Voyager helps businesses stay ahead by automating compliance tracking, lease audits, and financial reporting. The software is updated regularly to reflect changing local and federal regulations. This reduces legal risks and ensures compliance, preventing costly penalties and operational disruptions. So, why is Yardi Voyager a great choice? Yardi Voyager is more than just property management software. It's a full scale asset management solution that enables real estate professionals to automate workflows, optimize financials, and improve tenant satisfaction. Unlike generic property management platforms, Yardi Voyager integrates leasing, maintenance, accounting, and compliance management into a single cloud based system. Its real time reporting and advanced analytics allow property managers and investors to make strategic decisions based on accurate data, leading to higher returns on investment. So, the tenant self service portal, maintenance tracking, and automated rent collection make day to day management effortless, reducing the burden on property managers and administrative teams. So, by choosing Yardi Voyager, property managers save time, reduce costs, and enhance the overall value of their real estate investments. So basically, Yardi Voyager is a powerful all in one property and asset management platform that simplifies lease administration, financial tracking, maintenance coordination, and tenant engagement. With its automation capabilities, real time analytics, and compliance tools, it provides property managers with everything they need to efficiently manage real estate portfolios of any size. So, if you're looking for a scalable, cloud based solution that integrates all aspects of property management, Yardi Voyager is an excellent choice. So start using Yardi Voyager today and take your property management operations to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.